Healthy Harmless. Beetles 8 PC's Nude Gray Pink Dipping Powder Starter Kit made with healthy, natural formula to help nails grow stronger and healthier. These doesn't damage the nail bed and available for air dry. Beetles Dip Nails Kit contains 4*0.5 ounces dip powder liquid, 6*0.53 ounces color powder, 1 nail brush, 1 nail file and 1 cuticle pusher. Height Quality Long Lasting. Beetles Dip Powder Nail Kit is long-lasting, chip-resistant. Compared to traditional nail lacquer, gel polish and traditional acrylic systems, it doesn't need an UV light to cure. It looks natural, lightweight and has impeccable shine. It can keep the nail art gorgeous and shiny for about 3 weeks plus. Safe, no need curing. The colors of 2022 Dip Nail Set is no LED nail lamp required for curing nail, which is better for your skin and nail, high quality, long-lasting, smooth and easy to apply, suitable for all kinds of nails. It's surely safe and easy to handle for both professionals and home users. Easy to apply. The series of Nude Gray Pink Dipping Powder Kit is easy enough for a starter to apply. At the same time, Beetles Dip Powder System doesn't need nail lamp to cure, so that can avoid turning skin black and damaging skin. It's a faster way to paint your nail. Please note, we strive to make our digital color swatches as accurate as possible to the actual product color, but due to different monitor settings and electronic devices, colors may differ slightly. Sincerely Service. Beetles hassle-free and friendly customer service. As a valued Beetles Beauty customer, we want you to be fully satisfied with your products. Please contact us directly if there are any problems. We guarantee a fast replacement or refund service. Top reviews from the United States. Great dip set. Love the colors and sizes of the containers. Goes on smooth and looks like the salon, just way cheaper. Saves you a lot of money. Easy to remove if you file the top coat off, then put on acetone on a cotton ball and hold in place with foil or clips. Highly recommend.